Welcome and thank you for joining me. This OPN Sense series will provide step-by-step guides and demonstration on building the ultimate resilient network from beginner to advanced. This is the first in a planned set of series that will help you build your technological foundation from the ground up so you can finally break free from big tech. While we will be using specific technologies in this series, our intention is to provide concepts that can be carried to other platforms that the viewer may be more comfortable or familiar with. It starts with a review of network architecture and takes you all the way through implementing the design, building upon concepts with a continuous enhancement of a real-life scenario. We go from basic internet usage to how to configure your network for hosting, to enhancing your defensive posture with next-generation security, and deploying redundancy for the ultimate in resilience and uptime. This is a series if you're looking to build that ultimate network for your data center, organization, or even your home. Now, the true intention behind this series is to help people free themselves from the grip of big tech's cloud prison. You see, in order to maintain the same functionality as the cloud, you have to build out your network in a manner that provides reliability and secure access to the resources you will be hosting for you, your friends, family, and customers. This is the foundation to become truly independent once again. We look forward to your feedback, ideas, and contributions to these goals of liberty and technology freedom. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.